Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you are missing your friends, your school, your teachers. Today is 22nd April 2020. It's your maths class and your maths teacher is here. We are doing unit number 18. Unit name is time. In this unit you are knowing about time, how to write the time or how to show the time on the clock. Yesterday we done our lesson number 2, challenge 1. Today we will do lesson number 2, challenge 2. Lesson name is telling the time. Workbook page number 22, 222 and 221. First we will do 222 and challenge 1 part 2. Write the digital equivalent for these times. Here you can see the clocks. Remember, we are using analog clocks. These clocks are called analog clocks, students. Okay, students? In the first clock, you can see there are two hands, short hand and long hand. Short hand shows the hours and long hand shows the minutes. Okay, this is very important thing to know that short hand is for hour and long hand is for minutes. On each number, there will be 5 minutes like this. When long hand will be on 1, it will be 5 minutes. When long hand will be on 2, it means that there are 10 minutes. When long hand will be on 3, it means that it is 15 minutes. When long hand will be on 4, it means that there are 20 minutes. When long hand will be on 5, it means that it will be 25 minutes. Okay. On each number, there will be 5 minutes. 5, 5, 5, you will going on. Here in the part A clock, long hand is on 2. It means that there are 10 minutes. And short hand, which shows the hours, it is on 10. It means that it is 10 o'clock. Okay, short hand is on 10, it means that it is 10 o'clock, and long hand is on 2, it means that there are 10 minutes. So time is 10:10. In part A, the time is 10:10. Okay, students, I repeat, when short hand will be on 10, it means that it is 10 o'clock. And long hand is on 2, it means that there are 10 minutes. When you will start from 1, the long hand shows the minutes, and when long hand will be on 1, it will be 5 minutes. When the long hand will be on 2, it will be 10 minutes. Here short hand is on 10, so it is 10 o'clock, and long hand is on 2, it means that there are 10 minutes. So time is 10:10. On the second clock, you can see short hand is on 6 and long hand is on 11 o'clock. It's not 6 o'clock exactly because there are 5 minutes left to 6 o'clock. When long hand will be on 12, then it will be exactly 6 o'clock. Okay, students? It is not exactly 6 o'clock because 5 minutes are left. After 5 minutes, it will be 6 o'clock. It means that here 5 minutes are left to 6. So time is 5:55. Okay, students? 5:55. On 11, it will be 55 minutes. When long hand is on 11, it will be 55 minutes. So 5 minutes are left to 6 o'clock. So time is 5:55. After 5 minutes, time will be 6 o'clock. Now move to the third clock. Here you can see shorthand which shows the hours is on 7 and longhand which shows the minutes is on 5. It means that it's 7:25. 7:25. Because longhand which shows minutes is on 5, it means that here 25 minutes. And shorthand which shows hours is on 7. So 7:25. It is the time 7:25. Okay, students? Now move to the next challenge, challenge 2, part 1. Draw the times on the analog clock. Remember, we are using analog clocks. In part A, you can see the clock and the time is 2:30. You have to draw the hands of the clock according to the given time. And the given time is 2:30. It means that you will draw small hand on 2 and long hand on 6. Okay, it means that 2:30. As half hour pass, so small hand will be moved from 2. Okay, you can see it's 2:30. Short hand is on 2 and long hand is on 6. On 6 means it will be 30 minutes. Long hand shows the minutes. So long hand will be on 6. It means that it's 30 minutes, and short hand you will draw away from 2. Okay, because half hour have passed. Now move to the second clock. You have to draw time 10:45. 10:45. It means that you will draw small hand like this on 10 and long hand will be on 9. You will draw small hand away from 10 because about 11 o'clock will be going on. After 15 minutes it will be 11 o'clock. So you will draw small hand away from 10 and long hand will be on 9. It will be 45 minutes. When you will draw long hand on 9, it means that there are 45 minutes, and you will draw small hand like this. It will be 10:45. Okay, students? Now, clock number 3, part C, it is 8:05. Time is 8:05, means 8 o'clock and 5 minutes. So you will draw small hand on 8 and long hand will be on 1, because when you will start from 1, it means that there are 5 minutes. Okay, students? On 1 there will be 5 minutes, on 2 there will be 10 minutes, on 3 there will be 15 minutes. Like this you will count. It is a counting of 10. So for the time 8:05, you will draw small hand on 8 and the long hand on 1. It is 8:05. So students, you will draw like this for challenge 2. It is your homework, page number 221. Challenge 1 part 2 and challenge 2 part 1. 220 and 221 page. Okay student, goodbye, have a good time.